What's up guys, Sal here. So we're less than a month away from the Galaxy S20 Unpacked event, but it looks like there may not be enough left for Samsung to talk about at the event as the Galaxy S20 continues to leak. A couple of days ago, we saw the live images of the handset that showed the device for the very first time, and now we got a hands-on video courtesy of the same guy, Max Weinbach. Most of the times when we get a hands-on leak, it's usually taken on a potato, but it's not the case this time. This guy shot this video in full HD at 60 frames per second, so it's almost as crisp as it gets. As you can see, the video showcases the Galaxy S20 Plus from all angles, the same single hole camera up front, and a massive camera hump at the back. But there's one thing I want to point out, and it's the curved display edges. So it's true then, Samsung is indeed making the display curves less pronounced than the Galaxy S10, which really sucks to be honest. You can barely say that the phone has a curved display. Yes, curved displays are annoying at times as they activate accidental touches, but still it makes the device look beautiful. And it's the compromise that I was ready to make, and as a matter of fact, Samsung users have gotten used to it. I know there are a lot of you who will be happy that they are making it less pronounced than the S10, but personally I'm not happy with this. I love curves, so I hope at least the Galaxy S20 Ultra has a normal Samsung curved display. We also have an image of the S20 Plus side by side against the S10 Plus. The S20 Plus is taller and narrower than the S10 Plus, which was expected since the S20 Plus has a bigger display at 6.7 inches versus the 6.4 inches of the S10 Plus. Yes, turns out the S20 Plus will also have a microSD card slot. Yesterday, there was a report that the microSD card slot will be exclusive to the S20 Ultra, which thankfully isn't true. S20 Plus will also have it. Now, we don't know whether or not the S20 would have it too, but I guess we'll know for sure soon enough, considering how we are getting new Galaxy S20 information lately. That's a bummer. The 120Hz display refresh rate won't work at Quad HD Plus resolution on all the Galaxy S20 variants. It will only work at Full HD Plus, and as soon as you shift to Quad HD Plus, the refresh rate goes down to 60 Hz. That really sucks. Apparently Samsung is doing it to preserve the battery life. 120Hz at Quad HD Plus apparently eats up a lot of battery juice, which is kinda true, but companies like OnePlus are doing it. I mean, they have confirmed that their new phone will have 120Hz display at Quad HD Plus resolution. And considering OnePlus phones did absolutely fine at 90Hz, 120Hz shouldn't have a big toll on the battery. You see, optimization is key here. If a company like OnePlus is confident that they could pull it off, I don't understand why a giant like Samsung was actually supplying 120Hz display to OnePlus is backing off from this. Maybe Samsung knows better, maybe they're doing it for a reason. I hope they talk about it at the event. Do let me know what you think. Is it a deal breaker for you to not have 120Hz at maximum resolution? Let me know down in the comments, and as always, I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.